Raising just is started. We have westerly wind break quickly at a start. Moving up body outside security check. Leo Face check and Ryan Brown baby comes next. Moscow Valley Redemption. Then next on line is Marias. Then followed her by Sugar Free Viva Bola. Green Diamond second last. While Rolling Thunder is the early trailer. And as they swing down the back, we have Leo Pace by about 3/4 of a length lead. Security check in second, 4 lengths further back in third comes Westerly Wind. Alongside comes Moscow Valley. Redemption comes next is Marias, Che and Ryan. Then comes Rolling Thunder. Then next on line is Brown Baby. Viva Bola comes next. Then followed over by Sugar Free, while Green Diamond now racing in Liz. And at the far turn, we have Leo Face by our length and a half. Moving up now at the outside is Redemption. Westerly Wind, then comes Moscow Valley, is Marias, Rolling Thunder. And as they swing for home, we have Leo Face this time by about 2 lengths. Moving up is Westerly Wind, Rolling Thunder with about 100 meters of the race. We have Leo Face followed by Westerly Wind, and finally it's Leo Face, Westerly Wind, Rolling Thunder, is Marias, then comes Redemption and Moscow Valley for your Super 6.